It's raining out, the ground is saturated, and the worms are crawling on the concrete. Earthworms. And here's one who has crawled into the seed I put out. He is a seed-encrusted worm. Where is that lucky bird? What a treat that would be.